Gear up for the ultimate biking experience on the 1st of Feb as JN Suzuki presents the Riding Fest, and the entry fee is absolutely free. Experience exhilarating bike stunts by professional riders. Take part in a Gymkhana for Jigsaw Track challenge where you can ride your Avenus scooty on the test track. Proud Avenus owners can participate in the Avenus mileage contest and win up to 5,000 rupees. Runners-up 3,000 rupees and third, fourth and fifth place will bag 1,000 each. Evaluation and exchange of old scooters and upgrade to a brand new Suzuki two-wheeler on the spot. Existing customer can enjoy a free service checkup and can communicate with our expert technical support. Witness the beauty of the Suzuki bikes as they will also be on display, and all are invited to take them for a test ride. Don't miss the opportunity to submerge yourself to Snow White timeless classic and One Bha's hit tracks like Doi Doi. Join the cosplay competition hosted by Shillong Cosplay Community for exciting prizes. Watch as they display their costumes and engage with the crowd. Submit your entries into the Reels competition curated by Traveler Shift. Last year winner, tell us your story and experience of the Suzuki scooter and bikes at the event and stand a chance to win a whopping 10,000 as cash prize. Play fun and thrilling games and divulge yourself in face painting, as it is especially curated for not only children but for everyone. Enjoy the food court with scrumptious fried chicken from Chicken Wagon, umami food from Umayi, and many more. Come be a part of the Suzuki Ride Fest.